called CRJs and ERJs. It's an ERJ. Let's take it out. It's an MD90. Found the trick to deal with it.
Latest innovation. Something he says he's going to unveil this season. He calls it rugby football. And watching it, you can see why. How does this rugby philosophy work?
If you watch a game of rugby, during one particular play or movement of the ball, they do a lot of pitching of the ball around during that play. So that play doesn't stop. So we call it rugby because we're going to pitch the ball around trying to get the play not to stop.
He just did a little no-look pass there.
Now we've been practicing.
Right there is a BC 10-footer.
I don't care how they
Coaching college football. 3 years ago, his name was floated on the campus of the Ivy League's Columbia University, where higher order thought, like Kelly's, is coveted. Or so it would seem. The athletic director said, not the right
All domestic passengers must be on board the aircraft 20 minutes prior to scheduled departure, or your reservation is subject to cancellation.
And ironically, Columbia, the higher education.
Before we can push back from the gate, though, we do need all passengers seated with seatbelts fastened, tray tables stowed, and bags secure. Also, if you are using any electronic devices, we do ask that you turn those to the airplane mode at this time. Laptop computers should be turned off and stowed. Flight attendants prepare for departure at all call, please.